In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your location on LinkedIn when searching for a job. Ensuring that your location is accurate on LinkedIn can significantly improve your job search experience, making it easier for recruiters and companies in your area to find you. Let's dive into the steps to get your location settings just right on your LinkedIn profile. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you've arrived on LinkedIn's homepage, you'll need to log in. You can do this by signing in with your Google or Microsoft account or by using your email address and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication for your LinkedIn account, you might be prompted to verify your identity. LinkedIn will send a code to your phone number, and you'll need to enter that code to proceed. This feature adds extra security to your account, ensuring that only you have access to it. After successfully logging in, locate your avatar picture, which is typically in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu of options. From the available options, click on View Profile to navigate to your personal LinkedIn profile page. Next, you want to focus on your introduction section. Look for the edit icon, which generally resembles a small pencil. Click on this icon to access the editable fields of your profile. Once you've opened the editing mode, scroll down until you find the country region section. This is where the core of our task lies. In this section, you'll see a drop-down list. Select your updated country or region from this list. If you've recently relocated, this part is crucial to ensure your location reflects your current place of residence. Depending on your selection, LinkedIn may prompt you to provide further details such as your city or district and postal code. Filling in these fields helps refine your location more precisely, which can be particularly useful for local job searches. Ensure that this information is as accurate as possible to enhance your LinkedIn experience. Once you've entered all the necessary information, it's time to save your changes. Review everything to make sure it's correct, and then tap Save to confirm and apply your new location settings to your profile. Now, with the updated location details, your LinkedIn profile is ready to show up in more relevant job searches, potentially opening up new opportunities for you. Thank you for tuning into today's guide. By following these steps, you've ensured that your LinkedIn location settings are accurate, putting you on the map for local job opportunities. Good luck with your job search, and see you in the next video.